Hello, my great people. I would like to share a stuff from my friend Bishop Edwin. It is a very short piece, but it is interesting. Be my guest, please. He wrote, I have recently faced anti-Ibo Nigerians that hate Igbos, and I have posed one question to them. Tell me that wrong thing that an Igbo man has done to you with an example. That's something that is resulting to this hatred. So I would also like you to try this on somebody who you think he hates Igbo. Throw this question at them and you use your ear to hear some stupid things, some incoherent and baseless hatred can be. I've had things like they are too competitive, they are very bossy, they are too domineering, they have this domineering spirit, they are over possessive, they have self-love, and they are very ambitious people. Even they are too hardworking is on the list. Could you imagine? I'm sure the definitions of these words are what you have in your mind until you tell them to show working with example, as in, you will whip what you will hear. Girlfriend asks Igbo boyfriend to give her money. Maybe the girlfriend is not an Igbo girl. But tell the guy, say, he can't release money. Nkao, ego here now. The girl will go to Facebook, Instagram, all the pages, carry ogene and go around the world crying, like a town crier, that Igbo people are selfish and stingy. Could you imagine? Now there you go see that merit is a sin. To struggle and hustle above your mates is being over-competitive. That's what they call it. Bringing your brother from village to the city to learn a trade and set him up nicely. They say you are ethnocentric. And you are also selfish for doing that. And buying land and building a house they can't build is over-possessiveness. They say you are over-possessive. When you are being classy, you are contented, you are educated, you are hardworking and having self-love. It's just the bone of all their hatred on Igbo. That is just it. Still, according to Bishop Edwin, my friend, he said, the one thing that finished me yesterday was someone telling me that why he hates Igbo is that if Igbo people come to your house now to charge their phones, once the fuel finish for your gen, everybody will come out in charger. He said, I am like, is that all? Now the guy replied, he said, the moral of the lesson is that you are only relevant when you are providing for Igbos. They don't really care. That's what the guy is trying to say. Umunam, please, what this dude is saying, so should the Igbo guy leave his charger for him? So according to Bishop Edwin, he's still waiting to hear from that single man. And that can tell him correctly that wrong an Igbo man did or Igbo people do to generate this deep hatred for them. According to, he rounded up by saying, not like I care, because I know it's all about PDP versus APC. Many of them don't have good reason for their stance for hating Igbo. Just intellectualism. If this is a coined slang. And intellectualism. But in case, he said, thunder fire somebody with that, their hatred. Bishop Edwin is, anyway, I will round up by adding mine. He said, my own, before I end it. A particular guy told me he hates Igbo, and because Igbo are buying up everywhere. Even though I may not like Igbos to invest heavily outside Ali Igbo, that's Igbo land, I need to still ask this guy a question. Are these Igbos taking your money to buy whatever they are buying? Buy all those places.